So I'll just go get the 820s from the rack here.
Do you want to pop these back?
Look at these bad boys.
Oh, hello. Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see through.
Amazing. Another Irish artist,
Yeah.
another female singer, Anna Mika. She's a friend of mine. Also one of my favourite artists, which is nice.
Yeah.
Take me into your carved embrace, creature, creature, craving space.
Wow.
Yeah. You like it?
I do. I really like them. Like,
Yeah?
I'm trying to work out what it is that's different.
Yeah.
There's, you can sense that it's enclosed, but it doesn't take away from the experience.
No, it's still a kind of an open sound, but you get a little more.
Oh, it's just amazing. I've never heard all the little bits on the back of that record.
Oh.
I can just hear the rattling around in the background.
Yeah.
And
Do you have something maybe with a little more kick?
yeah, sorry. I've heard her, I just wanted to hear that thing. You want something a bit more...
Yeah, I think
punch.
these
Okay.
will come out if you have something with a kick in it.
That's brilliant. That's
Maybe
the best I've ever heard
something
that.
with, especially if you're into drums.
Okay, all right.
Then
Let me see what I can find.
depending on these.
This is really old record as well. I bought this when it came out.
Yeah.
It's 30 years ago. So it might be a bit crackly.
Yeah.
But we'll have to work with it. They were from Bristol, which is just down the road from where I grew up. Okay. Can I listen to something else? Do you mind? Have we got enough time?
Yeah. Let's do one more.
One more. One more. This is actually my brother's new album, Curlew.
Okay.
And it's got a lot of dust on it. Yep. And it also has a lot of percussion and drumming.
Okay.
So let me see.
Should I put?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Could try and get the right track.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Yeah, I like these. These are really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like the bass here?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, there's a sort of a. Yeah, there's sort of more. There's somehow more tact to them. I think maybe more. Yeah, I'm really into those. Yeah, they're good.
We still have one more treat. Yeah, the very high end.
Okay.
Are you ready to move on to the HE one?
Yeah, I don't know what we're going to play.
You heard about it, right?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
It's right over there.
Oh wow.